welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 print-on-demand website, which I think it's my top 5 favorite. I'm going to be talking about those 5 print-on-demand platform, and also why is it my favorite platform, like why I really like them. I'm going to be talking about all those things in this video, so stick with me guys till the end. Before we would part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such videos, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources, the link in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month because we will keep on adding each month, and it contains a full commercial license. So you can very well use it. Now let's talk about the top 5 favorite. Now there are so many different print-on-demand platforms online in the online space, but based on my experience and knowledge so far, I am in my first year only guys. You very well know about me. If you have been following me so far, you know that this is my first year only with the print-on-demand, so I have the 1 year of experience. So based on that experience and knowledge, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite because I feel like these are more user-friendly as well, and I may be biased because these platforms I am making money from, and I feel like these are amazing platforms, especially working well for me. They may be working well for you or may not be, but do let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. The number 1 favorite platform that I feel is Teepublic. Now, many of you guys know that my Redbubble account is suspension, and when that suspension happened, I'm going to leave all the videos in the card section above. When that happened, I switched over to a different print-on-demand platform. And the first platform I get started with was the Teepublic, and I got my first sale within I think 2 months or less than 100 design. I'm gonna again leave that video in the card section. You can check it out. So I feel that Teepublic is the best platform. I've already made a video talking about why I prefer Teepublic over the Redbubble. I'm gonna leave again all that video in the card section above. So based on my experience, I feel like Teepublic is an amazing platform because as a new designer, you're getting an amazing opportunity by the new designer option available on the website itself. Their customer service is much better than the Redbubble, I feel, because when I email them, they send me an email reply back within 24 to 48 hours, which I think is quite amazing. Another thing I really like about is their artist referral program. If you're referring any artist, you're gonna get $1 of every sales they are making up to the $1,000, which is an amazing, which is not there on any other print-on-demand platform. Designer referral income is not there, kind of like an affiliate, which I feel it's a really amazing. And another thing I feel good about is about their new designs are on the sale for some hours. So if you're selling new designs, you're uploading new designs, your designs would be on sale, and they would be likely to get more sales because the people are more looking for the sales, 10% off, 20% off, and they're more likely to get in touch with your shop. So this is the number 1 platform which I really love, and do let me know what is your number 1 platform, print-on-demand platform. I would really love to hear from you. The second platform which I really recommend and which I really love is the Zazzle. Now Zazzle is an amazing platform. It's a really vast. Why I put it as a second, because I came across as a second only after the Teepublic, but it's really an amazing, like you can create your work, your design as a template. People can use a template, add them, customize it, and can use it for their own purpose. And on the Zazzle you can create so many products, like there are so many they have so many brochure of the products that are not there on the Redbubble and Teepublic, which I find is pretty amazing, and Zazzle really works very well. And I feel it's more kind of like a designer feel you get when you're creating the product onto the Zazzle, which is not there in other platform. So that is one really outweighs, and also you can make the multiple different shops in just one account, which is an amazing option which is not there in the Teepublic and Redbubble. I'm going to leave all the Zazzle complete playlist in the card section above if you want to get started with the Zazzle, because I have made the step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with that, opening up a store and adding the designs and all that. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. You can create so many different products, and if you're actually creating the product that people are looking to buy into, then you will be getting your first sale faster on the Zazzle, which is based on my own experience, because on the second store that I made on the Zazzle, I got my first sale within a week because I made only that product which was people was looking for. If you want to know what are those products and what do you want to make, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to make a video talking about the Zazzle, what are the products people are looking for, and what you can make to make good money from the Zazzle. The third platform on my list is the Displate. Now, I recently started with the Displate. Although on the Displate, you need to get an approval to get started with the Displate. I think that few of the people were saying that Displate is not accepting the new designers on their platform. It could be true, but I don't know much about it, guys. But I feel that Displate is amazing. Like their user interface is quite amazing. You can upload the designs very fast, although you need to have the file dimensions or dimensions of your design 2900 into 60 pixels. You need to have that file dimensions. That is specially created for the Displate. So I feel like Displate is an amazing platform if you're looking to make some serious amount of money. You just need to get an approval and you need to submit your portfolio. I am not really sure currently if they're accepting the new designer or not, but make sure to check it out, this platform, every month. So whenever they are accepting the new designer, you'll get accepted by that. And also I see that many of the people are making some serious amount of money, like thousands of dollars under the Displate, because on the Displate you can sell your original artwork. It's not just for the print-on-demand seller, it's also for the artist and the designer, because they want the personalized work, like the work that is quite unique from the other platform that is not there, which is an amazing feature of the Displate, and I really love that platform. Now let's move on to the fourth platform. And before going good, guys, if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button, because I really know that whether you're enjoying it or not. The fourth platform, which I feel is pretty amazing, is the Society 6. Now on the Society 6, there are so many different products. That's pretty amazing. The barrier of entry is quite low. Anyone can open up a shop. I think you need to, starting with the Society 6, you need to add your account and you need to verify your PayPal. They take the $1 for that verification. I'm not pretty sure. When I get started with that, I just pay that $1 to get the verification, but do let me know if it's currently there or not. Maybe they have some new updates. I'm not pretty sure about it, but I think that the barrier of entry on the low is quite low on the Society 6, and people are selling amazingly well. There are so many different products in the various different varieties. Of course, user interface a little bit takes time, because you need to switch on each and every product onto Displate. By default, all the product option is off, so you need to manually actually do that for each and every particular design. Switch on that for a particular product, and then you only can get started with that. But and you can search for the designs which are selling well. Do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make such videos talking about the Society 6, because I haven't made much of the videos on this channel talking about the Society 6. I recently get started with that, so I don't have much of the experience, but I feel that the user interface is quite interesting. And the people are selling on the platform. There are so many products, so that's why I put it as a number 4. Now, number 5 platform is the Contrado. Now, Contrado is quite new. I have made a video talking about the Contrado. I'm going to leave them in the card section below. We can check it out. All the videos that I'm talking or referring in this video are in the card section, guys. You can check it out. Now, Contrado is an amazing platform because you have so many products onto the Contrado, and also it's a high ticket offer. Like, even if you're selling one product, you're getting $10, $15 from that product, which is pretty amazing. Kind of like a goal for you to make $1,000 each month onto the Contrado, then you can very well make it, because from each and every product you're selling, you're actually getting $15, $20 from one product sale, which is pretty amazing because they have a very high ticket offer. And also their products quality is really, really amazing, really high quality because of the high rate. So I feel that Contrado is an amazing platform. I came across recently only just a 1 month, guys, just a 1 month, and I started with my shop on that. I've uploaded a few products, don't have that much of experience, but I feel like this is an amazing platform. You can also get wholesale discount, you can also get the drop shipping option and various different options on the Contrado. I really love their product catalogs, that's why I put it on the top 5 list. Now, I haven't put the Redbubble on this list because based on my experience, Redbubble isn't good for me. I didn't feel the Redbubble is doing a pretty fair with the artist, because I am personally an artist and designer. I'm not just a print-on-demand seller. I make my own artwork in the Photoshop and traditional art and all. So I feel like as an artist, I don't give Redbubble that much good reviews in comparison to all these platforms. And also I have one platform on my list as well, Threadless. I recently started with the Threadless as well. Now I don't have much experience on the Threadless, what actually sells, what doesn't sell, but I feel like this is also an amazing platform if you are looking for selling print-on-demand platform, because I usually recommend the multi-platform strategy to upload your designs on at least 3 to 4 platforms, so that if one platform goes out of the corner, if something happens, you're still getting your print on demand income from other platform. So that's why I talk about the top 5. Do let me know what are your favorite print on demand platforms. Really love to hear from you. And also guys, tomorrow I'm gonna be uploading an amazing video, the most requested one about the Redbubble, because my Redbubble account has been suspended, and I got a few of the comments to actually start with the Redbubble shop, or as well to try whether I can open up a new shop onto the Redbubble or not. So I'm gonna be doing it everything live in front of you to see that actually whether I can open up a new shop onto Redbubble or not, I can upload my design or not. I'm gonna be showing you that thing in the tomorrow's video. So stick with me, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, because when I'm going to upload that video, you'll be get notified about it, because that video will really going to be a big game changer and will really going to open my eyes as well along with you to see whether I can open up a new shop onto the Redbubble or not, I can upload the designs or not. So I'm going to be making that videos tomorrow, and it will going to be going live, and I'm going to do everything in front of you on my laptop to show you exactly what I'm doing and if it works or not. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you're thinking. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.